So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a border to an image or around an image here on Canva using a Canva desktop. So first thing you have to do is obviously add a photo to your design. So for this demonstration, I'll press on elements here in the top left. Under photos, I'll just select the photo right here that is trending. How about a photo right here of what appears to be like leaves or a plant or whatever. So if you wanted to add a background or I guess a border, the simplest way to do it is to get your photo, press on the photo right here to open up this top bar, press on these little lines right here where it says border style. Now, first thing you can do is select the type of border. So if you just want a solid border, maybe a dotted border, triple dotted border, a very dotted border, whatever the case may be, that's the first step. The second step would be to increase the border weight. So by default, it's set to 4. If you slide this bar to the right, you make the border thicker. If you slide it to the left, you make it thinner. Now, last but not least, you like your border. Press on it one more time. Right beside these three little lines, you can actually select the color right here of the border. So if you want the border to be, red, for example, that's your border. Just like that, you can make it larger or smaller, and the border will stay the exact same. So very straightforward, very simple, but that is how to add a border to an image or around an image here on Canva using a Canva desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.